Let me tell you, after the age of 60, when tingling in the feet starts, people often ignore it, thinking that it is a sign of old age. But today, I am going to tell you something that very few people tell you. This tingling, this numbness, and that sharp pain in the calves at night that sometimes makes you scream from your sleep are not just the effects of age. It is an alarm for your body, repeatedly signaling that something is wrong inside, and if you do not pay attention now, the situation may worsen. The video begins. First, subscribe to the channel because this information is very important to you. Now, stop for a moment and think. Does it happen to you that as soon as you get out of bed in the morning, you feel a tingling sensation in the soles of your feet, as if someone has pricked you with a needle? Or by evening, your feet feel so heavy, as if they are filled with cement. Or while walking, you suddenly feel as if your feet are not touching the ground. Your balance is disturbed, and you start to fear falling. If even one of these things is happening to you, then today's information is very important for you, and I am not saying this just because. I don't think this is just a simple health tip. No. Today I'm going to tell you the truth that is often missed during a visit to the doctor, which is hidden behind a large series of medications. The real reason why your veins are weak. The blood is not reaching your feet properly, and your body is slowly leaving you. Most importantly, today I will tell you 3 easy home remedies that you can use to stop this dangerous cycle. You can reactivate your veins and get relief from this pain and tingling. And these methods are very effective. They are so easy that you can start them tonight. But their effects will truly amaze you. There is only one condition. You must listen to this entire information until the end, because the third method is the most powerful, and I will explain it at the end. So, let's start with the most important thing. Understanding what is happening inside your body. Look, your body has a whole network of nerves spread throughout it. Just like a city has a network of electrical wires. Just like electrical wires carry electricity to every house, your nerves connect to your brain. They send signals to every part of the body. Now, imagine what would happen if a wire were to break or short circuit. The entire area would be plunged into darkness. Isn't it? The same thing happens in your body. When nerves are under pressure or have a poor blood supply, they stop working properly. And that's where the cycle of tingling, numbness, pain, and then weakness begins. If this process is not stopped in time, the nerves can be damaged so badly that it becomes very difficult to repair them. Now the question is, why do these nerves get damaged? There are 3 major reasons behind this. The first reason is sitting in the same place continuously. When you sit in the same position for a long time, the disc under the spine starts slipping from its place, and when this happens, pressure is put on the nerves passing nearby. This is the pain of sciatica that starts from the waist and spreads throughout the leg. The second reason is the increase in blood sugar. Very few people know that sugar is not just a disease of diabetes, but it is the biggest enemy of the nerves. If there is too much sugar in the blood, it hardens the small blood vessels from the inside, and when these vessels harden, the oxygen supply to the veins in the legs decreases. As a result, the veins gradually weaken and start dying. The third reason that very few people know is that there is a very thin coating on your veins called keratin. Think of it like the plastic coating on an electrical wire. This coating protects the veins. But when the body is deficient in vitamins B12, B1, and omega-3, this layer gradually wears away. And when this layer is gone, the veins are left completely open, which is why even the slightest movement causes pain. So now you understand that this tingling, this pain, and this stiffness in your calves at night is no small thing. These are signs of a serious process going on inside your body. But the good news is that you can stop it. And you don't need expensive drugs or major surgery. You just need to follow the 3 methods that I am going to share. Yes. So the first method is so easy that you can do it right now. But before that, I want you to do one thing. Place both your feet on the ground and notice if you feel a slight tingling or numbness. If so, then this method can be very beneficial for you. This method is called nerve flossing. Now you might be wondering what it is? Just like we floss between our teeth to remove debris, this exercise frees up your constricted nerves. It reduces swelling around the area and helps release the nerves. This slowly relieves the pressure on the nerves. Now, how to do this? Listen carefully. Sit comfortably on a chair. Now, straighten one leg and pull the toe towards you. As you raise your head, push the toe outwards. As you lower your head and place your chin on your chest, pull the toe back towards you. This movement should be done very slowly. Do not rush it at all. Do it 10 times with one leg and then 10 times with the other leg. Twice a day, morning and evening. It is just a simple task, but this small action can do a lot for your nerves. It can do what sometimes even months of medication cannot do, because medication only suppresses the pain, while this exercise works on the root of that pain. Now the second method, and after hearing this you may think what difference such a simple thing will make. But let me explain to you that sometimes the simplest thing is the most effective. This method is to lie down with your feet against the wall. It sounds very simple, but the science behind it will surprise you. See, when you stand or sit all day, blood flows to the feet due to gravity. Blood keeps pooling in the sides, and when this blood can't flow back to the heart properly, it causes swelling, heaviness, and increased pressure on the veins in the legs. Now, when you lie down and put your legs against the wall, gravity works with you, not against you. The blood that has collected at the bottom slowly flows back to the heart, and fresh, oxygen-rich blood reaches your veins. As a result, the swelling starts to decrease, the heaviness starts to go away, and the pressure on the veins gradually decreases. So, what should you do? Go to bed at night. Before you start, lie down with your legs up against a wall for just 10 minutes. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Just 10 minutes. In that time, you will start to feel a little relief in your legs, as if someone has comforted you from the inside after a long time. You probably haven't felt this feeling in a long time. Now comes the third and final method, and it is the most powerful because it works from the inside, not the outside. The first two methods I have told you about calm your nerves from the outside, but the real repair, real improvement comes from within, right? And for that, you need something you probably already have in your kitchen. That thing is garlic. Yes, the same garlic you use in your food every day. It contains a special compound called allicin, and this allicin does things for your arteries that even expensive drugs sometimes fail to do. It reduces inflammation in the arteries, thins the blood so that it can reach every artery more easily, and most importantly, it helps clear cholesterol that has accumulated in the blood vessels. But one important thing, eating garlic raw does not provide much benefit. The right way is very important, and I will tell you that before going to bed, drink a glass of milk, about 250 milliliters. Add 3 cloves of garlic, and grind them well. Crushing is necessary because the allicin in garlic is not active until it is crushed. Now, add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper is necessary because without it, your body cannot absorb turmeric properly. This multiplies the effects of turmeric. Now, boil this milk on low heat until it thickens slightly. Then let it cool and drink it leisurely. Just 1 glass every night before going to bed. Such a small act, but its effect is profound. This milk enters your veins and cleanses them, repairs them, a job that external massage or fomentation cannot do. And let me tell you a little bonus. If your feet are very swollen, add half a cup of Epsom salt to warm water and soak your feet in it for 15 minutes twice a week. Soak your feet. Epsom salt contains magnesium, which penetrates your skin directly into your muscles, reducing tension. Finally, I want to tell you something very important. All 3 of these methods really work, but only if you use them daily. If you stop for one day, you won't see much of a difference. Give your body some time because your nerves have gradually weakened over the years, and it will take some time for them to heal. But if you do these 3 things consistently, you will see significant improvements in your body within a few weeks. You will start to feel a clear change. And yes, if the pain is too much or your legs are getting weak, definitely see a doctor because in some cases a proper diagnosis is essential. But in most cases, these small steps can make a big difference. Now, I have a small request from my heart. If you found today's information helpful, please share it with the elders in your home. Please send it to your mother, father, grandparents, or any elderly relative because they may be experiencing this pain. You are suffering silently and unable to tell anyone. Your small share can make a huge difference in their life. If you liked this video, please like it so that this important information can reach more people. Subscribe to our channel for more useful health information. I will keep bringing you important information that can improve your and your family's health. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. We will meet again in the next video.